Hey folks, Postman, which is a collaboration platform for API development, is hiring for business operation intern through its internship drive 2021. You can join our Telegram channel or check our website for more updates on active jobs, internships, and scholarships. They are seeking a passionate and highly driven individual to join the revenue operation team at Postman. The internship job will be fully on a remote basis and you will be working from home with flexible scheduling. If selected, your roles and responsibilities include working with various teams in customer organization including sales, success, solution, product, legal, etc. Collaborate with subject matter expert and other business analysts to build best-in-class solution and to be a proponent of measuring the success of those solutions. Assist the generation of reports, dashboard and customized report along with analysis of resulting data, helping design, develop, test and deploy solution to the need of the various teams, assisting with delivering training on all processes, policies and best practices, work with Postman data team to ensure data is approximately synchronized with our core data store, monitor all the integration via APIs, web services with other systems, assist in bulk uploads and bulk updates of data using different data tools, aid in the development of workflow rules, constantly review current processes and configuration and suggest improvement to continuously achieve sustainability, maintain technical design documentation based on functional and stakeholders requirement, etc. To apply for this role, you should have experience in Salesforce administration, familiarity with an agile business environment, knowledge of SDLC, use of Salesforce data migration using different data tools, experience with Salesforce reports, dashboards, and workflow rules, positive approach, strong communication skill, comfortable with ambiguity, partnering and collaboration skills. As you can see, the requirements and the responsibilities are a lot, so you can expect high pay during your internship period. The applications are now open and you can apply through the link given in the description.